We're grateful to Nikhat for spending time and attending this media conference. I know you've been training a lot. The first question will come up. I will ask the first question. This is from All India Radio, Nikhat. And the question is, as I said, there are a billion people hoping that you will win a medal in Paris. What do you have to say?
Um, Firstly, I'm really honored to be going to represent India at the Olympics, and I'm really excited and looking forward because it's my first Olympics, and uh, I mean, I'm excited at the same times as days are like days are going and we are moving forward to Paris, and I feel nervous also because people are having a lot of expectations from me, but I'm really working really very hard, and I'll go only with the one mindset that this time I have to win medal for India and come back with the medal.
Can you tell us a little more about your preparation for Paris? A little more.
So, since I qualified for Paris Olympics, I participated in the Stranja competition, and there I won silver medal. And then late after that, we went to Montenegro. We had 2 weeks of training camp there with different country boxers. We did some sparring session, and also we also went to Turkey where I have sparred with uh, Tokyo Olympic silver medalist and world champion, who is the main rival in my weight category. And I really had a good experience sparring with her, and it gave me confidence to do well in Eloda Cup. And then in Eloda recently in Eloda Cup, I won gold medal, and I'm really happy the way I perform. And hopefully, I keep continue to work hard and do well at the Olympics too.
Thank you for that answer. Lovely answer. Rajaraman, can you go ahead and ask your question, please?
Yeah, thank you very much, Nikat. Good evening to you. Just want to know, you've already competed in a world championship, in several world championships. You've got a world championship gold against your name. Uh, why then would an athlete of your stature speak of nervousness going to the Olympic Games? Because you've already experienced playing at the highest level, haven't you?
Good evening, sir. So I'm nervous because it's not that I'm an experienced boxer. That's why I shouldn't be getting nervous. It's my thing because before every competition I get nervous because if I don't get nervous, I don't. My body doesn't work the way I want to perform in the ring, because I feel when I'm nervous, my body works well and I'm focused more. So that is why, and also this is my first Olympics. I don't have experience of playing at the Olympic platform. So because of that, I'm nervous. But otherwise, once I entered the ring, I you know I I don't think about outside. I just wanted to be focused and win that bout and come back with the medal.
Thank you very much. A lovely answer, Nikat. Wonderful. Such a lovely and honest confession that you have made in spite being a world champion. Brilliant. Next question, Sabir Hussain. Please go ahead.
So, Nikhat, two questions. One is since the Asian Games, where you had won a bronze medal, what has changed for you in this last 1 year or so since the Asian Games? Like in terms of your personality, in terms of your game awareness, in terms of becoming a more mature boxer, and also in terms of your game, what has changed in all these months? Uh, and also about talking about your game, uh, what have you introduced some technique change in your game, keeping in mind that the Olympics would be a lot tougher, and this is your first Olympics. So any changes that you have, maybe minor changes that you have brought to your game, maybe becoming more not to be too aggressive in the ring, or maybe like kind of you know your game better. So two questions.
So basically, in the Asian Games, if you must have seen my bouts, I have, when I was facing the Vietnam girl in the first bout, I was aggressive in the whole 3 rounds in that bout, and also with the Korean girl, also with the Jordan girl. But when I was facing the Thai opponent, so I was good in the second. I started putting a lot of efforts in the second and third round, which because of that I had, judges didn't give me in the first round. So because of not being aggressive in the semi-final, that because of that I had to lose that bout by split decision. So after that, um, I I had an idea that okay, maybe because of not giving my full fledged performance, because of that I lost. So I took that as a lesson and I worked on my mistakes, and since then I came as a different fighter in the ring. And also I really had a good experience in the Stranger also, after beating 2 Olympians. One was Mongolian boxer, and also in the French boxer in the quarterfinal. So they both were really tough, and but I could beat them by unanimous decision. So yeah, I was happy though I won silver, but it wasn't about results for me. It was about the way I performed in the Stranger, and I was happy. And also I was very happy the way I performed in Eloda Cup. So yeah, overall I'm happy with the performance since Asian Games. And also just wanted to be focused and keep performing well at the Olympics too.
Lovely answer. Thank you very much for that question and answer. You have a question from Amlan Chakraborty from Reuters. It's an international agency. He is asking that whether you have identified your main rivals in Paris. If you have identified them, do you have a separate plan for each one of them, or you just go by instinct? That is this question.
So, sir, I mean, I know uh, the Olympics will be tougher than the World Championship because all the experienced boxers will be coming there, and I can't take anyone easy because everyone, must have worked really hard to represent their country and win medal for the country. So I can't take it easy on anyone. Obviously, I know from my weight category who are the most tough opponents. I'll be keeping an eye on them, but also I don't want to ignore the other boxers who recently qualified from the second world qualifiers and from the first world qualifiers. So I just want to take everyone as my, important and tough opponents. Um, and also in the Olympics there is no seeding, no ranking, so it just, it's all about your luck there. I don't know whom I'll be facing in the first round or in the second round. So from my side I'm working really hard. So let's hope for the best that I get a good draw and beat all the boxers in my weight category and win that medal for India.
Thank you very much. Your next question comes from Anmol. Anmol, आप प्रश्न पूछिए please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I am Anmol from Khelna. So my question is that Wu Yu is one of the strongest medal a contender in Paris, and you haven't met her yet. So, have you watched her bouts, and you find any obstacle in facing her by looking at her matches and all?
Yeah, I've seen her game. She's a very technical boxer. She's always on her feet. And also, I didn't face her in any competition. So, obviously, it will be something new for me if I face her in the Olympics. And I don't know, I have never like even sparred with her. So, obviously, I'll go by instincts. I'll just, when I'll face, if I'll face her in the Olympics, so definitely I'll just see for 30 seconds, and then I'll according to the situation, I'll change my game plan.
Thank you very much. Indranil Das, please go ahead.
Hello, Nikhil. This is Anmol Gurung from Union Express. My question is, hello, I'll just go back to that nervousness that you were talking about. I think it's very understandable, right? Like you are someone who sets high standards. You're looking to ensure that everything is like in order, right? Like, what are the precautions that you're taking in order to ensure that that you don't get kind of nervousness? I mean, is there any particular mental training or something you're taking in order to ensure that everything is fine?
So basically, when I get nervous, I talk to my family, or I talk to my very close friends, and also before going to venue, I listen music, I pray, and I play games which not let me get distracted, uh, and to let me focus on my goal, that I have to win this bout. I have come here to win this championship. So these things keep me focused and get distracted from the nervousness.
Aparajita, next, please. Go ahead with your question.
Hi, Nikhil. This is Aprajita from PTI. I want to ask about the seedings and rankings. During the World Championships also, there were no seedings and rankings, और आपको बहुत ही difficult draw मिला था. So how do you prepare to go about it when you have, like, you had continuous matches back to back, you didn't have a lot of rest time. So in a tournament like an Olympics, which will be your first, so how will you mentally prepare for it?
यस, रिसेंटली जो 2023 दिल्ली में जो वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप हुआ था, उसमें मुझे सीडिंग नहीं मिली थी, बिकॉज आई वाज अ वर्ल्ड चैंपियन इन 52 कैटेगरी. सो उस बेसिस पे मुझे 50 कैटेगरी में रैंकिंग नहीं मिली थी. सो आई वाज अनसीडेड. बट सीडिंग इतना मैटर नहीं करता है, बिकॉज ऐसे बहुत सारे बॉक्सर्स है जो सीडिंग होने के बाद भी दे कुडंट विन मेडल. सो मेरे को सीडिंग इतना मैटर नहीं करता है, until and unless when you have that इन योर माइंड कि कुछ भी हो जाए, कितना भी टफ ड्रॉ पड़ जाए, आपको बस जीतना है. तो मैं वो माइंडसेट लेके आगे बढ़ना पसंद करती हूँ. सो या बट मैंने ये चीज भी नोटिस की है, जब भी मुझे टफ ड्रॉ होता है, उस टाइम में अच्छा परफॉर्म करती हूँ मैं. तो ओलंपिक्स में टफ ड्रॉ आए, इजी ड्रॉ आए, ओलंपिक में इजी ड्रॉ आ ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वहां पे सारे ही बॉक्सर्स बहुत अच्छे बॉक्सर्स है. एंड सो मैं यही माइंडसेट से लेके चलूंगी कि हर बाउट में अपना 100% देके चलना है, और स्टेप बाय स्टेप फोकस करना है, ईच बाउट एट ए टाइम.
जैसे आपने बोला ईच बाउट एट ए टाइम, तो त्रिदीप बपड़नाश फ्रॉम स्टेट्समैन आपको पूछ रहे हैं आप अनवाइंड कैसे कर रहे हैं, कि क्या कर रहे हैं. तो बॉक्सिंग रिंग में हमेशा आप टाइम दे रहे हैं, तो बाहर जाके हाउ आर यू unwinding yourself? You're a fun-loving young girl.
So unwinding like during competition, or like now during
Every
training?
time now let's say during training.
So during training तो पहली बात तो बहुत कम ही टाइम मिलता है बाहर जाने का. तो मोस्टली मैं अपने टीममेट्स के साथ और मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ में ऊनो कार्ड्स खेल लेती हूँ, मैं म्यूजिक सुनती हूँ, वी वॉच वेब सीरीज ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड मूवीज देख लेती हूँ. तो दैट्स हाउ आई अनवाइंड माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम बॉक्सिंग.
बहुत बढ़िया. आपको ऋत्विक, प्लीज गो अहेड विथ योर क्वेश्चन.
Thanks. Hi, Nikat. Ritwik here from Hindustan Times. मेरा सवाल है कि from now to the Olympics, what would your focus area be in terms of training, और ऐसी क्या technical या mental चीजें हैं जो आप fine tune करना चाहेंगी, जो अभी limited समय बचा है उसमें?
आई थिंक हमारा ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 90% हार्डवर्क हमने कर लिया है। जिस चीज पे हमें काम करना था हमने कर लिया है। अब ये जो लास्ट का 10% रह गया है वो बस हमारे फिटनेस लेवल पे और हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर मैटर करता है। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू बी मेंटली फिट फॉर द ओलंपिक्स, ऑल्सो इंजरी फ्री, क्योंकि दिस इज द लास्ट स्टेज जहाँ पे हम यही चाहेंगे कि अपने आप को फिजिकली और मेंटली फिट रहे। बाकी जितनी मेहनत करनी थी हमने कर ली है। अब बस लास्ट के जो स्पारिंग सेशन है उसमें हम अपने फिटनेस को इम्प्रूव एनहांस करेंगे डिफरेंट पार्टनर्स के साथ हम स्पार करके। एंड बस अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखेंगे और ओलंपिक्स के लिए रेडी रहेंगे।
आपके लिए निखत लास्ट 2 questions. Sarangi, please go ahead.
हाय निखत, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने एशियन गेम्स में कोटा लिया तो आपको पता चल गया कि मेरे पास इतने महीने हैं प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। शायद ये आपके करियर में सबसे लंबा वेट होगा किसी टूर्नामेंट के लिए कि आपको उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना है, आप जानती हो। तो ये कितना प्रेशर होता है और कितना इजी होता है, दोनों साइड आप बताइए। और मेंटली फिट रहने के लिए आप क्या करती हो, मतलब क्या अपने आप को क्या बोलती हो या कुछ करती हो?
जी हाँ, जब मेरा एशियन गेम्स में क्वालिफाई हो गई थी, पहली बात तो एशियन गेम्स में हमारा मेन मिशन तो यही था कि पहले क्वालिफाई होना। एंड जहाँ पे मैं क्वालिफाई हो पाई एंड आई वाज रियली हैप्पी कि मैं मतलब इतने टाइम पहले मैं क्वालिफाई कर ली। तो एक तरफ से एक जो स्ट्रेस होता है कि जितना क्लोज हम ओलंपिक से पहले क्वालिफाई होंगे हमारे पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं रहेगा प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए, और हमें जिस चीज पे काम करना है उस चीज पे हमें उतना टाइम नहीं मिलेगा काम करने के लिए। तो वो सब चीजों से मतलब टाइम सेव हुआ है। तो उसके बाद में एशियन गेम्स के बाद जब मैं क्वालिफाई हुई थी तो हमारा एक कोचेस सब मिलके एक प्लान बनाया था कि पेरिस से पहले इतना कंपटीशन खेलना है और हमारा इतना एक्सपोजर मिलना है कि वो कंट्री में जाके इनको स्पारिंग करवानी है बॉक्सर्स के साथ। और प्लान के अकॉर्डिंगली सब कुछ हुआ है। तो अभी तक सब सही गया है प्लान के अकॉर्डिंगली। और रही बात मतलब मतलब नेगेटिव चीज तो कुछ है नहीं ऐसे कि हम पहले क्वालिफाई कर लिए। ज्यादा तो मतलब फायदा ही हुआ है कि जितना जल्दी हमने क्वालिफाई किया उतना हमारे पास प्रिपरेशन के लिए ज्यादा टाइम मिल गया। तो वही चीज को माइंड में लेके हमने उस हिसाब से पेरिस की तैयारी की है। एंड बस अभी लास्ट में कुछ दिन रह गए और बस अपना पूरा 100% देके पेरिस की तैयारी कर रहे हैं बस।
बस एक लास्ट सवाल, निखत, आपने वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप है अभी, आप पेरिस के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं, इतना सारा बिलियन पीपल होपिंग कि आप मेडल जीतें। तो हाउ हैज लाइफ चेंज्ड इन द लास्ट 3 years? 3 साल में आपका जिंदगी कैसा बदला है, थोड़ा बताइए।
जिंदगी सर, आई मीन कभी सोचा नहीं था ऐसा कि एक लड़की जो एज ए चैलेंजर जानी जाती थी आज वो फेस ऑफ इंडियन बॉक्सिंग हो गई है। सो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मैंने मतलब ये चीज देखने को मिल रही है। तो आई फील ब्लेस्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल कि ऊपर वाले ने मुझे इतना काबिल बनाया है कि मैंने जो मेरा सपना था वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनने का वो मैं एक बार नहीं 2 बार बनी हूँ। और बट अभी जर्नी खत्म, it's not the end. As I said, my ultimate dream is to win an Olympic medal and hopefully अभी कुछ दिन रह गए पेरिस ओलंपिक्स के लिए। होपफुली मैं वो भी सपना पूरा करूं और बस वो पूरा करने के बाद मैं तब बोल सकती हूँ कि जो मैंने चाहा वो सब कुछ मैंने किया है। तो आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट।
Thank you for your time and your answers, and may God bless you and all the best for Paris. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.